Okay, now Sand, speaking of that, looks like it's making a sort of like, I don't know, it reminds me of like the bigger the base, the higher in the space, meaning there's a bid at 4 and it doesn't really want to get down to sort of like $4.34. Every time it tries to pop down, somebody's coming in and buying it. So maybe the metaverse trade becomes kind of like layer ones, right? Where it's like ETH, Solana, Avalanche, Phantom, Near, etc. Cardano. Maybe there's like 5 or 6 big survivors. Remember, Sandbox is considered big, okay, in the crypto world. If you look at market cap of Sandbox, it would only be like a small cap stock in the equities world. So Sandbox may be just sort of biding its time because it's almost like the Bitcoin or Ethereum of the metaverse, right? And if there are wicks down below, there are opportunities. And if the whole market falls apart and it goes to 4, then that's your chance to get in. Okay, Decentraland. I would personally like to see Decentraland above $3.60. Okay, that said, if you go back to Forrest's section, he is clearly showing you that even though this on a daily chart looks to be in a tight range, there are trading opportunities, and these coins are, when they break trend lines, they return to the trend lines and then they bounce. So if you get a little bit surgical and you get in there and you look at the intraday price action at things like Decentraland and Sandbox, they are giving you trading opportunities. And I think that the fact that the trading opportunities are working, right? What do I always say about bull markets? You have to be able to buy a dip and make money. Now, in this case, it's traders with Forrest level of tactical skill that are pulling in the coins as they recover. As they decline, okay, and picking them up to allow them to move higher, right? All right, next chart is Tencent. Very interesting, okay? So we're moving into like low quality coins that are being talked about online. So I'm going to be very neutral in how I talk about it. But it looks like in some of these like metaverse connected coins that you're like, this is making a base. So this shot way up, right? Did nothing. Then it took out the top of its range, came back and retested it. So in these type of coins, if you see follow through, remember what I was talking about, the 21-day moving average? You want to see something break out, retest, and go. If you see that, then you have a coin or a market, okay, that's turning favorable. That may not be subject to the whims of equities. Now, that said, if you can't get the type of breakout that you're seeing here, no matter what happens to this coin, it's a great example. Get the confirmed breakout, right? Or get it at a confirmed discount before you act.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.